Hey everyone, this is Sam and today I'm gonna show you how to make Saber transition in Node video. So let's start. First of all, you have to select a new layer called shape. Select the layer, then adjust it as per your photo or video. Then place it into, then adjust it, then place it into background second position, then convert it into lightsaber, then select the lightsaber, then place it into second position, then select the shape layer and delete it. Okay, then you have to select the lightsaber layer and preset electricity, change it into solar option. Then you have to change you have to select the animation option and end offset. As you have seen end offset, then select two keyframes, first and last portion of the video. Then first keyframe, you should put the value minus 0.2. Then your animation is ready to play, and then go to the curve editor. Then you have to ease in option. You have to select ease in option as so, and your transition is complete. That's it. You have to do the only thing. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video.